Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're gonna discuss about the App Service Plan. So think of App Service Plan as a web farm. Web farm is a group of two or more web servers. So think of it as two IIS or more, which are hosting your application to distribute traffic, to improve performance, of course, if you have high load, and then it ensures high availability. So if you have two or more web servers, let's say three or four, if one server is down, you still got three. Okay, so now let's try to create a app service plan. So to make it simple for us, I'll just create a simple name for this. So let's say Azure App Linux RG. Okay, for the region, Southeast Asia in our case, and then Azure App Service Plan. Looks okay. And let's explore the pricing plan. So you got to choose between for your production if has a lot of workloads. So you could choose from premium 3 to 4. And in our case, we'll just choose the basic B3, which is for the dev and testing, which is less demanding workloads. I'll just click select and then let me click create interview and then waiting for the validation. Okay, let's click create. It says it's gonna be $51 for me for my monthly cost if ever I'm gonna use this app service plan. Now while it's being um deployed, so imagine this app service plan, you could deploy here two or more web applications. So now that it is created, let's try to create a web app inside that. So let's go home and let's choose web app. You can see web app there. Here we go, web app. Or yeah. So it's working. So web app. I'll choose the same resource that we created. Or yeah, we created, and then we're just gonna use code in this case. Then .NET 8 Linux, and then the region, of course, Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia. Then this one, the created Azure App Service Plan. So let's put the name there here. So web app Linux, web one. Looks good, right? So let's click review and create. Looks working. Basic authentication is currently disabled. Yeah. So let's click create. Now it's being submitted or initialized for the deployment. And while it's doing that, let's go back to the Azure App Service Plan. Deployment is still in progress. So it seems taking a while. Let's go back home first. Okay, so for the okay, so deployment has succeeded. So as you can see here, we have a web application. So I'll click this. So it may take a while. Probably it just got started. While it's being loaded, let's go to the Azure Service Plan. So this is the app service plan that we created, and then we decided to put a web application inside it to host this web application. So your web app is running, waiting for your content. So looks good. We have created a new web app. So on your end, why not try to add a new web application inside your Azure App Service Plan? So let me see what you have did on the comment section. So thank you and bye bye.